So today we are here on the third floor of the Livingston Library in the Junior Achievements Finance Park, and today is a very important day because we are participating in the Hour of Code today. We're going to have 100 middle school students rolling through the Finance Park today. So for us, Hour of Code is simply about educating some of the younger kids in Henrico County about the wonders of computer programming. Programming in video games, to programming drones, learning binary.
We're going to go through our presentation that's behind me, and we have basically a maze pseudocode, and we're going to basically go through with the utilizations of drones and construction, law enforcement, and then we're going to have them do like a maze of pseudocode, which basically goes through like the changes of altitude if you need to change in altitude, and the changes in like if you need to go forward, left, right, getting them ready to do actual code with the pseudocode.
So I actually participated in the Hour of Code when I was younger. It was actually one of my first experiences interacting with computer science. So when I was, I think, in third grade, I did an Hour of Code event at my school where I think it was Frozen based because that was a movie that just had come out at the time and it was popular. And now, as a member of CSHS, which is the Computer Science National Honor Society, the chapter of it at Deep Run, I participate in it, and I'm the vice president. And I had the opportunity to participate in the Hour of Code here, and I was just so excited to be able to excite others about computer science how I was excited about programming.
I really just wanted to learn more about tech in general, and it kind of just helped me narrow down on certain aspects I wanted to do because I wanted to pursue cybersecurity. So it helped me find what I wanted to pursue and also be able to show my creative talents in ACE.